This is a mini tutorial, okay? Mini. I'm just gonna go through how I draw hair. So don't be in the comments like, oh my god, this is so wrong, this is not biblically accurate, you didn't use this really old. In this video, I will be sharing what I consider while I draw hair and things I don't consider, few sketches, and then eventually we will go over the coloring process of this particular hair.
Nice.
If you want more beginner friendly hair coloring process, watch this video. Before that, do you ever randomly think about Japan? Because I do. The food, the culture, the stationery. The sponsor of today's video is Anthpo. Anthpo is a subscription box service that offers curated packages of Japan's best stationery products. Anthpo has been kind enough to send me their subscription packages for both August and September. I just know there's gonna be a lot of cute products here. September box had one cute hamster, but it's actually a desk cleaner. This turned out to be one of the most smoothest pencil I own now. Sticky notes, potato snack eraser. That was very unsigma of me, I'm sorry. A sought after smart clip that people reportedly waited in long lines to get, and you're telling me I got it just like that? I feel special now. Motivational stickers, cat stickers, and a pen case. August box surprised me cause girl, it was filled. While I try this pen out, let me tell you about Anthpo starter pack and why you should get it. If you're like, oh, I don't know if I want to commit to a subscription, girl, Anthpo starter box got you covered. Anthpo starter box is curated to give you the taste of their full subscription experience. It comes with 9 high quality Japanese stationery items similar to what you would find in a regular monthly boxes, but free shipping. No subscription commitment, that's right, it's one-time purchase thing. Starter box is the best way to find out if you want to make Anthpo a part of your monthly routine. And they also have themes on certain months. They got me, okay? They got me with the themes like Spooky October, Monochrome June, Sakura April. So if you have been curious about trying out Anthpo stationery subscription, now's the best time. Whether you're into journaling, scrapbooking, or simply want to elevate your desk setup, get your hands on Japan's best stationery products with Anthpo. Check out the link in the description and grab your Anthpo box now. Thank you Anthpo for sponsoring this video. If you want to draw the cutest hairstyles, the best reference are the dolls. Most of the time, you will also get different angles. If you want to up your hair game, you need to practice drawing game characters' hair.
What's up, baby girl?
My sketching process of the hair is basically very much not there. But I start my process by locating the forehead. It's 2.5 from the eyes up your nostrils. I don't care about no foreheads, okay? I'm not measuring nothing.
Yeah, baby!
Just see, like it's literally there.
Open up your eyes and pay attention to the signs.
Just see it and draw. Like, come on, you all be measuring anything and everything. You all act like if you don't measure, you will end up drawing Megamind or something. Even if that's the case, it's fine. You all act like big foreheaded people don't exist. It's a myth. Last one was seen 100 years ago. So I don't care about foreheads. I also don't really consider roots. I'm not saying these things are not important, but when that's all you're thinking about, roots, measurements, you're not drawing the hair pretty, as you drew a biblically accurate roots. Congratulations. But what about the flow of the hair? What about the design? And that's why I concentrate more on the silhouette and ends of the hair. To keep it simple, here's how I sketch. I start from the outside, a little above the head, unless your hair is thinning out like me. I work my way to get the shape right. Once I got it, I just concentrate on the flow and ends of the hair, making sure it's appealing. Here's a $1 million question. How do you make a hair appealing? I have a foolproof method. You just draw and erase, draw and erase, draw and erase, draw and erase until it's good. I don't do line arts. Okay, we are finally at the part where it will make no sense. Most of the time, I don't know what I'm doing. I will try to explain. Okay, I did have a theme for this piece, which was fairy, cotton candy, grape soda, and symphony.
I just wanna be part of your symphony.
I started off by adding the base color. I kept it very mild, very light to show softness. I couldn't get the color I wanted for the first layer of shadow, so I mixed the base color and a blue color and used that color to add shadows. Then I took a lighter shade of the base color, not to draw light source, but to add more shade range to the base hair. I add shadow colors on two places. One is obviously where the shadows are, and then I add few strands of hair using the same shadow color.
Soda!
I took a light color of the pink cause cotton candy and added in the middle as a secondary base color. Then I take a desaturated purple. Mostly this area is what I consider desaturated, but since the hair is very light in color, I picked something from this area. Using this color, I added the secondary layer of shadow.
Let's go!
Okay, now this is so random, but I take a very saturated color and add pieces of it randomly. Now I take the same color but less saturated and add it to the hair to harmonize it so that the random color doesn't look just way out of place. At this point, I had strands of hair in both base color and shadow color. One thing to notice is that I had more shadow strands on the shadow area, obviously. Random outer strands to add more fluffiness. These random outer strands will always be very light in color. I tried adding flowers, but I don't know how to draw flowers. I tried, okay. Now if you look at the pink, it's not the same shade of pink as before. It's brighter to match the shade of this purple. Pink in this piece works both as a base in its lighter shade, but also has a highlighter in its brighter shade. And I purposely add those highlight near the face to increase the interest in the face. Okay, pause. I think if I showed you guys how I draw one strand of hair, it will make more sense. You have the base color, which will be two colors, pink and purple in this case. Then we have the shadow color, which is desaturated color, which will be on both sides of the base hair, but also where the shadow lies. I also apply the color in the folds of the hair. Then there is random highly saturated color which is placed randomly, but it is also mixed mildly into the hair to harmonize it. Hopefully this makes more sense now. added a light blue as highlight. Also added the same blue in the hair randomly. I know it makes no sense, but that's just how it goes. Okay, now I take the shadow purple and add this shape. A pear shape, I guess. Some of them on the ends, starts, also in the folds. And that's it, hopefully. To recap, I don't really care about the measurement, I don't really care about the forehead, I don't really care about the shape of the head, I don't really care about the roots. Only thing I care about is if it looks good, it looks good. That's it.